So to do the job here, I'm using my drill. Like I said, very little pressure if you want to use a power drill. But as you notice, the hub has a big hole. You want to look for the big hole and turn it counterclockwise or clockwise until you find the big opening or the big hole here on the outside, so you can access the screw where you would screw the screw at, as shown around the side here with my drill in it. But it has four of these that you have to screw down. But like I said, very little pressure, like so. Always remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So here goes. To be continued. So this is what the finished product looks like. Well, not finished totally, because I'll show you other parts that need to be done. But this is what you want. You want a firm attachment, no movement. The old one was moving. So if your hub is not tight and it doesn't rock, and then that's safe. If it does have play in it, but then it's going to be very unsafe, you're most likely to have an auto accident. All right, but make sure it can spin freely, like so. And so what we do next is we put on the your brake drum, like so. This is my brake drum right here, and it fits over the grooves, like so. And that's what it looks like right there. And so of course the only other thing to do now is to place back on your tire. Oh, if you can get a hold of some jack stands, you want to get you 2 or 3 ton jack stand, but I have one. Husky is a good name brand, but I do not recommend that you work on any car for any length of time, changing tire or working under a car without these, because your hydraulic jack can easily give out pressure and the car is going to fall on you if you're under there. So here again, you want to make sure that your brake drum snaps firmly into place. You can play around with it, make sure it can play within the grooves. You see these grooves right here? You want to make sure everything fits in like a puzzle, and that your all your rungs or your screws, bolts are through every hole that they need. And now you have a clean inner hub here, place where the new hub is, clean and everything. So next is to put on the tire. So here I am. I'm finished with installing my hub. I bolted down the hub tightly and securely, made sure it had twistability in it, that you could twist it, turn it each direction, and that it was firm. I'm put it back on my tire, and the same thing. You want to make sure your tire does not shake. The tire is not supposed to shake at all. It's supposed to be firm, no shaking, no wiggling or anything like that. That's always an indication that your hub is bad or something else within the wheel system is bad. It needs to be attended to by a technician or yourself if you know how to do it. Well, thanks for your attention. Time for a test drive.